Que onda su pecho arriba, las manos, caballo moreno, penetra tu barrio.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel Easy English Explanation by Pooja Joshi. Dear learners of 8th standard NCERT book Honeydew, lesson number 4, we will start today in the first part of Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. This will be the first part. So, tell me, dear children, have you ever forgotten something? Small and big things, major and minor. For example, to do the homework, to complete any task given by parents. But what would happen to anybody if any person forgets a complete portion of life, portion of week for 15 days, week or 15 days? If you forget of your life, you can't recall anything, whether you have visited this place, whether you met that person during these days or not. So that will drive you crazy. You will go mad thinking and pondering over it always. So the same happens to Bipin Babu. But was it really so? Or what's the mystery then? So let's know. In this video, I would like to first read the lesson, as well as after reading, you will get the important words to learn, new words to learn which you come across, and as well as you will have the explanation in the easiest possible form. First of all, see the name of the lesson. Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Lapse. Lapse means, here see, lapse. Lapse meaning the meaning of lapse is to forget, just come out of your memory. It happens to many of us, especially during the old age. See here the meaning of lapse. See the meaning of memory lapse. A period of time when a person forgets things that he or she should have remembered. As he grew older, he began to have memory lapses. Clear? So let's get back to our lesson. Now, before you read, do you have a good memory? Has your memory ever played any tricks on you? Forgetfulness often puts you in a tight spot. You are in a fix. You are so puzzled and confused. But forgetting a part of your life completely will drive you crazy. In this story, Bipin Babu gets nearby crazy because he cannot recollect his stay at Ranchi. Means he comes to know from somebody that he has been to Ranchi, but he goes crazy because he knows very well that he hasn't ever been to Ranchi. But still, he has proofs, he has witnesses. People tell him that he had been to Ranchi. What is all this mystery? Why is so? There are many witnesses to the contrary. To the contrary means in opposite. He knows that he has never been, but still he gets people and proofs, witnesses, that he had been to Ranchi once. So what is the suspense all about? Part 1. Every Monday on his way back to work from work, Bipin Chaudhary would drop in at Kalicharan's in New Market to buy books, crime stories, ghost stories and thrillers. He had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him through the week. He lived all alone. He lived alone, was not a good mixer, had few friends and didn't like spending time in idle chat. So, as the story starts, every Monday means that day was a Monday and he came back from work to whom he was proceeding and he went to Kali Charan's bookshop. Kali Charan's bookshop was in New Market. He went there to buy the books, few books. What kind of books he would like to study? Crime stories, ghost stories and thrillers. All that suspenseful or horror types of books he read to just entertain himself. But why? The reason is given here now. He wasn't a good mixer. He didn't like to mix with people too much, to spend time in just idle chatting, means just here and there talking, gossiping about general politics, movies, Bollywood, whatever. He did not wish to mix up with people. He lived alone by himself. It means to say here that he had no family member. Today at Kali Charan's, Bipin Babu had the feeling that someone was observing him from close quarters. Close quarters means very nearby, like is a close look. Somebody was continuously looking at him in the bookshop. He turned round and found himself looking at a round-faced, meek-looking man who now broke into a smile. When he tried to see that who was there, he found that a person who had a round face and he was a meek looking. Meek means very humble and gentle looking person, quiet looking person, smiled at him when he saw. Broke into smile means suddenly that person smiled. I don't suppose you recognize me? That person told Bipin Babu that I don't suppose you recognize me. Means that person told Bipin Babu that he is able to find out that Bipin Babu has not still recognized him, not still came under the identification of him that yes, I have recognized that person. Have we met before? Asked Bipin Babu. Bipin Babu asked that person that have we met earlier? Do I know you? The man looked greatly surprised. We met every day for a whole week. I arranged a car to take you to the Hudru Falls. Means the man was greatly surprised as Bipin Babu told that has he met that man? Have they both met each other? The man was surprised, curious, shocked to know like. Then the man answered. He told Bipin Babu, we met every day for nearly a week. Means every day we used to keep on meeting each other. For this went on for a week. We are knowing each other for 1 week. We had that acquaintance. And that man told that I had arranged a car for you to go to Hudru Falls. Now the second page of the lesson. You can see here in picture at a bookshop, Kali Charan's bookshop, that man is continuously looking at Bipin Babu, and Bipin Babu turned and saw that man. In 1958 in Ranchi, my name is Parimal Ghosh. So that man told that we know each other since 1958, means we met in 1958 in Ranchi. And then that man told his name, Parimal Ghosh. Ranchi? Now Bipin Babu realized that it was not he, but this man who was making a mistake. Now Bipin Babu had the idea, okay, there may be some mistake by that person. He may not have identified Bipin Babu properly, or there may be some confusion. Because what happened? See, Bipin Babu had never been to Ranchi. Bipin Babu knew very well that he had never been to Ranchi. That if I have never gone to Ranchi, then how is it possible that I meet a man, and that too also for a week continuously, every day? He smiled and said, "Do you know who I am?" Bipin Babu said to that man, that you know exactly that who I am? Did you identify me properly? The man raised his eyebrows, bit his tongue and said, "Do I know you?" Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary? Still you may be making a mistake. One often does. I have never been to Ranchi. That man now raised eyebrows. By raising eyebrows, he bit his tongue and he said that, "Do I know you?" means I very well know you. Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary? Means I know that your name is Bipin Chaudhary. And who doesn't know? Means Bipin Chaudhary may be a very, very famous person. Bipin Babu said that no, still you are making a mistake. Okay, it happens sometimes we make mistake in recognizing some person. There may be some confusion or lapse of memory. I have never been to Ranchi. Bipin Babu informed that person that he had never been to Ranchi. If I have never gone to Ranchi, then how can I meet you? The man now laughed aloud. What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? You had a fall in Hudru and cut your right knee. Oh, this man laughed aloud now. Maybe Bipin Chaudhary is joking, he thought, making some fun. What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? You had a fall in Hudru, you fell over there and you cut your right knee. I brought you iodine. I had fixed up a car for you to go to Netarhat the next day, but you couldn't because of the pain in the knee. Means you had a fall over there, your knee was cut that time. So I arranged a car. I had fixed up, means I arranged a car for you to go to Netarhat the next day, but you were not able to go because you had pain in your knee. Can't you recall anything? Someone else you know was also in Ranchi at that time. Who was that someone else? One more person is there. That person is the witness. That person also knows that you were there in Ranchi at that time. I am not the one and only single person who is speaking this. There is one more person who is the witness, and that person's name was Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee. You stayed in a bungalow. You said you didn't like hotel food and would prefer to have your meals cooked by a bawarchi. Mr. Mukherjee stayed with his sister. You had a big argument about the moon landing, remember? I will tell you more. You always carried a bag with your books in it on your sightseeing trips. Am I right or not? So, what happened here? He said that you don't like to have hotel food, and you said that you like to have food cooked by a bawarchi. Bawarchi means a person, a cook or chef who is engaged at home by us to prepare food for us, and would prefer to have your meals cooked by a bawarchi. Mr. Mukherjee stayed with his sister. So the man who knows you, Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee, he stays there with his sister. You had a big argument. You had an argument even with Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee about the moon landing, and That person now continued and he told something more about Bipin Babu so that he can recognize and realize his mistake. So he said that Bipin Babu always used to carry books with him. He liked to read books, and whenever he went for some sightseeing to some places, he always carried books with him. Then that person asked that was he right or not.